A mirror replacement under 10 minutes? No way. Welcome back. I'm Eric with I Can Do That DIY. Today we're going to be replacing the broken passenger mirror from my daughter's Ford Explorer. She had a little incident with a pole attacking her car. Unfortunately, it broke more than just the mirror, the glass. It actually did some damage to the casing also. This is a pretty easy fix. Initially, I thought that you'd have to remove some of the door panel and so on, but in reality, all you have to do is remove the cap here. There's another bolt right over here behind the seal, and pretty easy. You just need 10mm socket, wrench, a magnetic pickup tool, and then your nylon body trim removal tool. We'll go ahead and take this off with the trim removal tool. So there's a couple of different places that's connected. So this connects actually to the door, and these two pieces connect right here to this section down here. So the pieces that you need to remove this nut here, and then behind this piece right here that's connected to the door panel, there's another nut right down in here, okay, that you can access with a ratcheting wrench. And then here's the additional bolt that you need to take out. So it's just those three connection points, and then unplug this connector right here. Okay, so the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to disconnect the electrical. We'll get that piece out of the way so it makes it easier to get that lower nut. Okay, we're going to use the trim tool to pull back the door panel just a little bit so you can get this on here. Okay, we'll get that loosened up. Grab your magnetic pickup tool. Get that nut off. Go ahead and take off this top piece. Okay, I'm just going to get that loosened up, and then we'll take out the nut over here behind the seal. Okay, now that those are loosened, finished taking this one off. And it's off. Okay, well, so we'll just repeat with the other piece, the new one. And there's a little tab right there that goes in a little slot up there, so make sure you just kind of put that in that way. And put this top piece back on. Tighten that up. Tighten this other one. Take this one off the magnetic tool. And again, we'll pry this piece back in, or back off a little bit. It probably would be just a little bit easier to take the door panel off so you can get this piece out. But it's a heck of a lot quicker to do it this way. Okay, that's snugged up. Okay. Plug the electrical back in. Push that back snug. Okay, there you go. So let's give it a shot and see if it works. Okay, we got the light up. Oh, look at that. It's moving. The light on the bottom's working. And it's fully operational. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, make sure you hit subscribe and turn on the bell notification so you can see more of the videos that I have available.
We got Papa! Yay! Thanks, Dad. Thanks, Papa. Thanks, Papa.
If you like this video, check this one out too.